Aloha Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, April 5th. The Department of Health is reporting no new cases today. We currently have 7 active cases in isolation and no one hospitalized. We have 40 individuals in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is 231, including 196 confirmed locally, 2 probable, and 33 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. To date, we have administered more than 45,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines on Kauai. Starting today, Monday, April 5th, we are moving into phase 2 of our vaccination program. This means all residents aged 16 and older are eligible for COVID-19 vaccines at clinics around the island. To schedule an appointment, go to kauai.gov/vaccine. Please note that individuals with a history of severe allergic reactions should consult with their doctor prior to making an appointment and may not be eligible to receive a COVID-19 vaccine. Appointments for 16 and 17-year-olds must be made at KVMH, Mahilona, or Wilcox hospitals, where they can receive the Pfizer vaccine. This is the only vaccine approved for this age group. Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are approved for adults age 18 and older and are widely available on Kauai. Vaccines are now available at the convention hall, all 3 local hospitals, at Long CVS, Safeway, Walmart, and at the Kaiser Permanente Clinic. You do not have to be a Kaiser member to make an appointment there. Ho'olalahui clinics offer vaccines for their patients, and the VA is offering vaccines to all veterans enrolled in VA healthcare. The Department of Health has a one-shot Johnson & Johnson clinic from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall in Lihue on Monday, April 12th. To schedule an appointment for a DOH clinic at the convention hall, please complete the survey at kauai.gov/vaccine. You will then receive instructions on how to schedule your appointment. To schedule an appointment at one of the hospitals or another participating location, links can be found at kauai.gov/vaccine. Reminder, you must schedule an appointment at all participating locations. Walk-ins are not accepted. Again, all residents aged 16 and older are now eligible to receive a vaccine. We encourage our residents to make a vaccine appointment as soon as you can, as we anticipate an increase in incoming travelers. Please do your part to keep yourself and our community safe and healthy. If you plan to travel, being vaccinated before you go will help you travel more safely. Links to make appointments at any of these clinics are posted at kauai.gov/vaccine. Effective today, Kauai has rejoined the state's Safe Travels program for trans-Pacific travelers. This means all travelers to Kauai, including inter-island and out-of-state travelers, can avoid the 10-day travel quarantine if they participate in the state's Safe Travels program, which includes taking a pre-travel test from a state-trusted testing partner within 72 hours of departing to Kauai. Results must be uploaded to your online Safe Travels profile prior to landing. Be sure to keep a paper copy of your test on hand in case you have trouble uploading your results. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, including a full list of trusted testing partners, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. We also recommend you download the Aloha Safe Alert app onto your smartphone from the App Store on Apple or Google Play for Androids. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification application. The app alerts you when you may have been in close contact with someone who put you at risk for exposure. This app does not track your location. We continue to encourage travelers and those who have been around travelers to take a free COVID-19 test. Free tests are available without appointment at our Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday, except holidays. Additionally, we thank our hotel partners who have committed to encouraging their guests to take post-travel tests. We also wish to thank our Kauai Chamber of Commerce, Kauai Visitors Bureau, and the Kauai chapter of the Hawaii Lodging and Tourism Association for promoting post-travel testing with the Kokua Kauai card. Visitors who take a pre-travel test and voluntarily take a post-travel test will be eligible for a Kokua Kauai card. This card provides discounts at participating businesses island-wide. Businesses interested in joining the program may apply online at the Chamber website at kauaichamber.org/kokua card. Today is a big day for Kauai as we expand vaccine eligibility and re-enter the Safe Travels program for out-of-state travelers. With the increase in travelers to Kauai, we anticipate an increase in cases. But there's a lot we can do to protect ourselves and our island. Today we welcome Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Berman to discuss this in more details.
Mahalo, Mayor. There are three big things going on this Monday morning, and I'd like to address each of them. First, we're re-entering the state's Safe Travels program for out-of-state travelers. This is good news in terms of employment and income for many residents, and it also means more risk of disease. So in the coming days and weeks, it is especially important that we continue to follow safe practices. Wear masks when we're out, keep our distance, wash our hands, avoid large gatherings, and stay home if we're sick. Second, as the mayor said, we are entering phase 2 of vaccination. Please make an appointment to be vaccinated if you haven't already. Effective today, anyone 16 years of age or older is eligible for a vaccine. Details can be found at kauai.gov/vaccine. Those aged 16 and 17 need to take the Pfizer vaccine, which is available at any of our 3 hospitals. Those 18 or older can make an appointment at any of our hospitals, many pharmacies, or make an appointment at the Department of Health Clinic at the Convention Hall by completing the short survey at kauai.gov/vaccine. At the Convention Hall, Moderna vaccine is offered every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Johnson & Johnson's single-dose vaccine is offered at this location in special Monday clinics when available. Pharmacies at Long's, Safeway, and Walmart are also offering vaccine appointments, but only for those 60 and older or meeting other specific eligibility requirements. Please check the website for details. Kaiser and Ho'olalahui clinics also have vaccine appointments available, so Kauai residents have lots of options available. Finally, we did see an increase in cases at the end of last week. All of these cases are travel-related, with 6 cases in one household related to inter-island travel by residents. The number of close contacts is quite large. More than 35 close contacts are subject to 10-day Department of Health quarantine. The good news is that many of the close contacts had already received at least one vaccination, and a few were fully vaccinated and not subject to quarantine. Many close contacts had not yet completed their vaccinations, so are subject to DOH quarantine. In the future, more and more close contacts will have been fully vaccinated. In that case, the Department of Health just gives them a call to let them know to self-monitor. Their activities are not restricted at all. Being vaccinated now will allow residents to continue their usual activities even if, as we anticipate, we do have travel-related cases in our community. Thank you all for helping our island be one of the bright lights in managing this crisis and having one of the highest vaccination rates in the nation.
Thank you, Dr. Berman, and thank you, Kauai. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands, keep your distance, and please avoid large gatherings. Together, we can help to keep Kauai safe.